you double-click the Valorant icon, brimming with anticipation for your next clutch play or a few rounds with your squad, only for the game to crash before you even see the main menu. Sound familiar? That gut-wrenching moment when your screen flickers, or the application just closes without a word, leaving you staring at your desktop instead of a scent. It's truly infuriating, isn't it? Especially when all your friends are waiting for you to join if you're on Windows Go, and Valorant is giving you this cold shoulder right from the start. You're definitely not alone, and more importantly, you've come to the perfect place. Today, we're going to dive deep into the most effective, tried-and-true methods to banish those startup crashes and get you back into the action, securing those headshots and planting the spike without a hitch. Get ready to troubleshoot your way back to victory. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. First things first, have you tried turning your off and on again? A fresh restart can clear up temporary glitches. Once you're back up, open your Riot, client, head to Valorant, and click the gear icon to try the repair option. This handy tool can automatically fix corrupted game files that might be causing the startup crash. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are one of the biggest culprits behind game crashes, especially on newer operating systems like Windows. Make sure your NVIDIA, RAM, or Intel graphics drivers are completely up to date by downloading the latest versions directly from the manufacturer's website. A clean install where you can install old drivers before installing new ones can also work wonders to prevent any software conflicts. Valorant and its entity Vanguard sometimes need a little extra authority to run smoothly. Try running both the Valorant game executable and the Riot client as an administrator by right-clicking their shortcuts and selecting Run as Administrator. If Vanguard itself seems to be the issue causing the crash, a complete reinstallation of Vanguard might be necessary to ensure it's properly integrated with your Windows system. Keeping your Windows Go operating system fully updated is crucial for game compatibility and stability. Head over to your Windows settings, then Windows Update, and ensure there are no pending updates that could be conflicting with Valorant. If all else fails and you've tried everything, a clean reinstallation of Valorant itself can often resolve deep-seated issues by giving you a fresh, uncorrupted game installation.